here. When you look at these two terms and you're looking for the GCF, what do these have in common?
6.
They have a 6 in common. What else do they have in common?
X squared.
They have an x to the third power here and x to the second. So in common, what can I pull out?
X squared.
I can pull out an x squared from both of these. I could pull out an x to the third from this one. There's not enough x's here. But x squares I can pull out. Remember, you want to pull out as much as you can in a single step so that you'll be finished. If you just pull out 6x, then you have another step to do afterwards. All right, so now your job is to figure out what you need to multiply times 6x squared, which is your GCF, in order to get the expression that you started with. So 6x squared times something will give me 6x to the third.
X.
We're just missing one x here. Like that. 6 times 1 is 6. X squared times x, x to the third. That works. Minus, what do I multiply times 6 if I want to get 24?
4.
And do I need any more x's?
No.
I have x squared and I have already an x squared right here, so that will be it. That's the extent of the example. That's your final answer. Let's try it with, do you guys remember what we call an expression with 3 terms? A trinomial. Let's try it with this trinomial. Here we had a binomial, right? 2 terms. Trinomial. So, what do these 3 terms have in common? 9. They all have a factor of 9. What about variables? No, nothing in common. Nothing that they share in common. So, all we're going to pull out is a 9. And figure out what's left in parentheses. Then when we multiply times 9, will give us each of these terms right here. All right, let's see. 9 times?
2x.
2x, very nice. And then minus?
Y.
9 times y would be 9y. Plus?
1.
9 times 1 is 9. Perfect. Notice when you finish these problems, you should check the expression inside of the parentheses, and you shouldn't have any common factors anymore. Questions with these two?